In this session, I would like to explore Azure Active Directory roles. Here, what is an Azure Active Directory? It is nothing but an identity store in Azure. Identity store in Azure. Here, using Azure Active Directory, we can define users, groups, applications, and service principals. Okay. Here, these users can authenticate onto Azure and they can access resources that are part of Azure subscription. The examples were Azure Active Directory, the users, groups, billing, licensing, and many more which are represented. Now, I have mentioned some important Azure Active Directory built-in role. Built-in roles. I have mentioned one is a global administrator. Global administrator. With this global administrator, it is the highest level of access. It includes the ability to grant administrator access to other users and to reset other administrator passwords also. And one more important Azure Active Directory built-in role set, user administrator. With this user administrator, we can create and manage users and groups and can reset passwords for users, helpdesk administrator, and user administrators also. And one more important built-in roles in Azure is helpdesk administrator. With this helpdesk administrator, we can change the password for users who don't have an administrator role, and they can invalidate refresh tokens, which forces users to sign back in again with the help of helpdesk administrator. And one more important Azure Active Directory built-in role set, billing administrator. With this billing administrator, we can make purchases and manage subscriptions. Here, I have mentioned more Azure Active Directory built-in roles. For that, I am providing, this is the link I am providing. I mentioned in the description of the video also. Okay, fine. To explain this Azure Active Directory, I open my Azure account. Here on search box, we have to type it Azure Active Directory. Click on this. Here on left side, users option is there. Click on this. We have to create new user. Click on create new user. Display name is training. Username is training and display name is also training I have mentioned. I copy auto generate password, paste it in the notepad, and also click on review plus create. Click on create. Azure Active Directory user is created. Copy this, paste it in the notepad. Now, we have to open this Azure Active Directory user. Here on left side, assigned roles option is there. Click on this. Click on add assignments. Here, we have to put the tick mark user administrator. Scroll down. Scroll down. User administrator. You are given the user administrator for this user is can manage all aspects of users and groups including resetting passwords for limited admins. I'll put the tick mark, click on add. Successfully added assignments. Fine. Now I log in with this IAM user in new browser. Click on my new browser. I sign in another account. I had to copy this IAM user and here click on next. You have to enter the password. Okay. Click on sign in. You have to enter the current password and enter the new password because you are enter auto generate password. Click on sign in. Okay. Now with this Azure Active Directory user, now on search box, you have to search it Azure Active Directory users. Click on this. Here on left side, users option is there. Click on this one. Here you have to create Azure Active Directory users with this IAM user, right? That is why means I'm given user administrator for this IAM user. Okay, that is how we had to create Azure Active Directory roles. Okay, thank you.